Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Oneika, and if you're new here, subscribe. Definitely follow me on Instagram, and I post every single Sunday. Well, not on Instagram, I post every single Sunday on YouTube. Today we're gonna be reviewing, this is the Vivitar Simply Beautiful Ultra Suction Pore Cleanser, and it comes with 4 things that you can put on this, and it can remove blackheads, reduces fine lines, tightens the skin, and softens the skin. So this is what we're testing, so keep on watching if you want to see me use this. I am about to hop in the shower, so I just want to see how well this is going to perform. We literally just bought this today. We paid $12.99. Okay, so when you're taking it out, okay, this is it. So now you get this. It's like a plastic cover. Okay, and then here are the clear parts. So I'm not really sure which one is which. Okay, so I definitely gotta go get batteries. Okay, the instructions are in here. Let's see. Okay, so these are the instructions. I'll be right back. I'm going to read this and then I'm going to get batteries. I have my mirror right here and I turn it on. Now we're gonna try it. So I am gonna put it on my chin because that's where I feel like I have a lot of blackheads. Oh. I'm not even sure what I'm supposed. Am I supposed to drag it? It's okay, so there we have something. Alright, I forgot. Well, I didn't forget. I didn't read the instructions where it said that you have to keep it away. You have to keep it moving or else it's gonna leave, a spot. And now I have this on my chin. Just something to be mindful of. It's kind of hard. Keep it moving. Okay, it actually kind of hurts. It actually kind of just a little. I haven't seen anything else. I'm gonna do it I'm gonna do it for a good 2 minutes and then I'll be back. We are dealing with. Alright, looking at my face, you can see that right there. There's a bruise right there and there's a bruise right here because of the suction, and I didn't hold it there for a long time, but there is 2 bruises right here. Looks like I have a hickey on my face. That's all that I have for this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was fun, and am I gonna use it again? No, but I will definitely. If you're a pore fanatic like me, sure, you like this, but honestly I do not think this is worth it. I actually want to see how much it retails for, because at Ross it sells for $12.99. I'm just gonna see how much. I'm gonna guess that this is averaged around 20. But today it was fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want to see me try. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.